Have you ever wondered if castor oil is as safe as it's made out to be? With all the hype around its magical benefits for hair growth, glowing skin, and even constipation relief, it's easy to forget that even natural remedies can have side effects. Yes, that's right. Just because it comes from nature doesn't mean it's risk-free. Castor oil is a popular natural remedy used for skin, hair, and digestion, and it's been trusted for centuries. But even though many people love it, castor oil can still have side effects. Knowing these risks can help you use it more safely and wisely. One of the most common side effects of castor oil occurs when it's taken internally. Many people use it as a natural laxative, and while it's certainly effective, it can sometimes work too well. After ingesting castor oil, it's not unusual to experience nausea, stomach cramps, or diarrhea. That's because it stimulates the muscles in your intestines, helping you go. But if taken in large amounts, it can lead to discomfort, bloating, and even dizziness. So while it's helpful in relieving occasional constipation, overuse is definitely something to watch out for. Another major concern is dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. Because castor oil can cause diarrhea, it often leads to the loss of water and essential minerals like sodium and potassium. This can leave you feeling fatigued, lightheaded, or weak. In more severe cases, it can affect muscle function and heart rhythm. So, if you are using castor oil internally, be sure to stay hydrated and avoid extended use unless under medical guidance. Not everyone's skin reacts well to castor oil either. Some people may develop allergic reactions, such as redness, itching, or a rash, after applying it. These symptoms usually go away after stopping use. But in rare instances, castor oil can trigger a serious allergic reaction called anaphylaxis, which includes symptoms like trouble breathing, facial swelling, or throat tightness. That's why it's always a smart move to do a patch test before applying castor oil widely on your skin or scalp. Castor oil is also not safe for everyone. Pregnant women should be especially cautious, as it can cause uterine contractions and may lead to premature labor. Likewise, individuals with gastrointestinal conditions such as appendicitis, inflammatory bowel disease, or intestinal blockages should steer clear of it, as castor oil could worsen these problems. It's also important to note that castor oil might interfere with certain medications. Because it speeds up digestion, it could affect how well your body absorbs the medicine you're taking. To avoid this, it's generally advised to take castor oil several hours apart from other medications, and to consult a healthcare provider before using it, especially if you're already on treatment for any medical condition. Even if you're just using castor oil topically, be careful around sensitive areas like your eyes. If it gets into your eyes, it can cause irritation or redness. And even on your skin, those with sensitive skin types might notice itching or discomfort after using it for a few days. To use castor oil safely, remember to always patch test first. Follow recommended dosages. Drink enough water if taking it internally. And consult your doctor if you're pregnant, have gut issues, or take any medications regularly. Natural doesn't always mean harmless, but being informed means you can still enjoy the benefits while avoiding the risks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might be using castor oil.